Hey guys, so welcome back to Delve Stack. Today I will be showing you how to turn off ad blocker on Brave browser. So to do this process, first things first is you could just simply go ahead and open up a Brave browser into your computer. And then now over here, select your profile and go ahead and select the three lines on top right corner of the screen. And you should be able to see here the gear icon at the bottom, the settings. So here on the settings tab, you should be able to see here shields. So go ahead and select shields over here. To turn off ad blocker, as you can see, you will have your trackers and ad blocking. So to turn it off, you could go for standard or you could go for disabled to turn off any ads blocking that is happening onto your browser. And of course, you will have here some other options as well that you might want to consider on this process. And pretty much this is the only feature that the Brave have. So these are the only options that you have to turn it off. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.